Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shada Sharao. Today's session we are going to learn Unix. See here in this video I'm going to discuss about Unix introduction and also history of the Unix and what are the different features are available in the Unix. First of all, I'm going to discuss about introduction of Unix. Unix is a CUI operating system. Operating system is an interface between a hardware and application softwares. It serves as an operating system for all types of computers, including single user, personal computers, and engineering workstations, and multi user microcomputers, and mini computers, and mainframes, and supercomputers, as well as a special purpose devices. The number of components running a variant of Unix has grown explosively, with approximately 20 millions of computers now running in the Unix and more than 100 millions of people using these systems. The success of the Unix is due to many factors, including the portability to a wide range of missions, in the adaptability and simplicity, the wide range of tasks that it can be performed. It's a multi-user and a multitasking nature, and it is a suitability for a networking which has becomes increasingly important as an internet and blossomed. See here is a Unix is a CUI operating systems, and some of the third party vendors is giving the GUI also. For example, if you see the Ubuntu, it's a GUI also is available. But first of all, the Unix is developed in the CUI operating system. It is a Unix is a CUI operating system. Now, operating system is an interface between a hardware and an application software. See here, it serves an operating system for all types of computers, including single user personal computers and engineering workstations and multi-user microcomputers and mini computers and mainframes and a supercomputers as well as a special purpose devices also. Now, the success of the Unix is due to the many factors. There is a many factors are available because success of the Unix. Those are including its a portability to a wide range of machines, its adaptability and simplicity, the wide range of tasks that it can be performed. It's a multi-user and a multitasking nature also. See here in the Unix there is a multi-user and a multitasking also. Now next I am going to discuss about history of the Unix. Before development of the Unix operating system at AT&T Bell Labs software team led by Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and Ruud Candy worked on Multics project. See here, before development of the Unix, before development of the Unix operating system at AT&T Bell Labs software team leads by the these are the persons are led by this AT&T Bell Labs. Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and Ruud Candy worked on the Multics project. These are the persons is worked in the Multics project, and Multics stands for Multics means multi information computing system. See here, Multics means multi information computing system. The aim of this project is to share the same data by n number of users at the same time. See here, the Multics project aim is to share the data for n number of peoples at the same time. At the same time, see here, Multics was developed for one for only two users. If you see here, Multics only need to share the data between two users only. Based on the same concept, in 1969, Unix operating system was developed for hundreds of users. After that, Unix, see here, Unix operating system was developed for hundreds of users, but Multics is for to sharing the data between the two users in the Unix operating system. After that, Unix operating system was developed for hundreds of users. Unix stands for Uniplexed Information Computing System. See here, UNICS. See here, Before Unix, 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 before Unix, there is a one more there. Before that, the spell is UNICS. It stands for Uniplexed Information Computing System. Initially, Unix was written in assembly language. Before that, Unix, first time the Unix is written in the assembly language. In the 1973, they rewritten in the C language named as Unix, UNIX. See here, the first is developed by the Multics. The Multics means multi information computing system. The multi information computing system aim is to share the data between the two users. After that, Unix is entered comes into the picture. It is used to share the multiple users at a time. Here, Unix is the means Unix means uni Uniplexer Information Computing System. This UNICS is developed into the assembly language. After that, 1973, the Unix is rewritten into the C language. The spell is changed to UNIX. Next, I am going to discuss about what are the different features are available in the Unix. Means what are the salient features of Unix? There is a different salient features are available in the Unix. Those are multi-user capability and multitasking capability and programming facility and portability and communication, security, operating system and systems calls and help facility. These are the different salient features are available in the Unix. The first I am going to discuss about multi-user. See here, the multi-user operating system means more than one user shares the system resources like hard disks and memory printers, application softwares at the same time. Means, see here, multi-user means the application can be used by multiple users at the same time. That is called multi-user. The multi-user is supported by the Unix systems. Next, the future is multitasking. See here, multitasking means another highlighting of the Unix is that it is a multitasking, implying that it is capable of carrying out of more than one job at the same time. It allows you to type in the program in that editor while it simultaneously executes some other commands you might have given earlier. Say to sort and the copy of the Hughes files. The latter job is performed in the background while the foreground you are use the editors or takes a directory listing or whether else. Depending on the priority of the task, the operating system approximately allots a small time slots on each foreground and background tasks. For example, here multitasking means if you are executing the one application server, in this application server, maybe if you are doing some operations on that application server, it may be some other tasks are running in the background. Means it is using the multitasking. You have some process is running in the foreground and some process is running in the background. That is called multitasking. The next one is programming facility. Here, Unix operating system provides a shell. Shell works like a programming language. It provides a commands and keywords. By running these two, user can prepare a efficient programs. See here, Unix can provide say multiple commands are available. We can use that commands. We can prepare the programs. It can be executed into the efficient programming way. The next one is portability. See here, portability means one of the main reason for this universal popularity of the Unix is that it can be used to almost any computers. See here, we can use any computer in the Unix with only with only a bare minimum of adoptions to suit to given computer architecture. It works with 8080 process to the supercomputers. It is support Unix is supported from 8080 process to up to the supercomputers. It can be maximum it can work on any computers. The next one is communication. Unix provides an electronic mails. The communication may be within a network of a single main computer or between a two or more such computer networks. The user can easily exchange the mails data programs through such networks. feet away or at 2000 miles you mail with hardly takes 1 or 2 to reach the destination. This is the communication support. By default, Unix is providing some commands to sending the mails between one computer to the another Unix computer within the same network. The next feature is security. Security means Unix provides three levels of security to protect the data. The first is to provide and assigning the passwords and the login names to individual users, ensuring that not anybody can come and have to access your work. If you see here, logging facility means whenever we are operating, switch on the your Unix system, automatically it talks the username and password. This is the one security, and the second level security is there is a read, write, and execute permissions to each file with a decide who can access a particular files, who can modify and it, and who can execute it. See here in Unix file system, there is a each and every file there is a read, write, and execute permissions are there. The admin can to put the permissions into a particular file. The third one is there is a file encryption. This utility encodes your file into a unreadable format so that even if some of these succeeds in the operating system, it you can secret and safe. There is a encryption also available. If you are encrypt the file, automatically the file is going to non-readable format. The next feature is operating system. Operating system, the source code of the Unix systems and not just to executable code has been made available to users and the programs. Because of this, many people have been able to adopt the Unix systems in a different ways. This openness has led to the introduction of the wide range of new features of vision customized to meet a special needs. It has been easy to developer to adopt the Unix because the computer code of the Unix systems is a straightforward and modular and compact. See here, operating system. In the operating system, it is not an executable code. It's available to use to modify the code also. The next one is system calls. Programs interact with the kernel through approximately 100 system calls. System calls tells the kernel to carry out various tasks for the programs, such as operating, opening a files, writing to the files, obtaining the information about the files, executing the programs, and terminating the processes, and changing the priority of the processes, and getting the time of the delay. Different implementations of the Unix systems have a compatible systems calls, with each call having the same functionality. However, the internal programming that performs the functions of the system calls because usually written in the C language. System calls means we can programming interact with the kernel through approximately 100 system calls. System calls tells the kernels to carry out of the various tasks to the programs, such as opening files, reading files, and all those things. The next one is the most future is a help facility. Unix provides a manual pages for Unix commands. See here, whenever we are typing the each and every command, there is a one help is available. Whenever we are putting the help, it gives the informations about regarding about that command. There is a help facility is also available for Unix. These are the different salient features of the Unix. These are popularity and portability and mission independent also, and multi-user operations, and there is a hierarchical file systems is also available, and Unix is a self-scripting language, and it's a there is a pipelines and filters are available in the Unix. There is a smooth utilities are there. Unix has over 200 utility programs for various functions. New utilities can be built effectively by the combining executing utilities. And the final one is the software development tools. Unix offers an excellent variety of the tools for the software development for all phases for a program's editing and maintenance of the software.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.